Hi everybody. See, this is how we make our black soap. This is the making of our black soap. We all use natural ingredients. This is no serum, because some people will be thinking this is serum. I don't use serum for my soap. I do not use serum. All I add to my soap is pure natural ingredients, oil, natural powders, mixtures that I make from scratch by myself. I do not add serum to my soap. That's why I get good clients with the soap, because they tend to love the soap. It's all natural ingredients. The black soap, I make the black soap from scratch. The other acne soap, you see, I make them by myself. The mixtures, I make them from scratch and I add. I know all ingredients that I put in the soap. I don't use serums for my soap. I don't. Because of stretch marks and every other stuff, I don't use serums. That's why the soap is a bomb. Trust me guys, this soap, this is one in all. This is milk. I don't use serums for my soap, because a lot of people will be thinking this is serum. Guys, UNIQUESSKIN do not use serum in making our whitening soap. We don't. Hey guys, this is the making of our wonderful unique whitening, super whitening black soap. As you can see, these are all fruits. These are all fruit powders. Wonderful soap. This soap, it's so wonderful that it clears, acne, everything on your skin, and it gives you a super whitening skin and a good glowing skin. For dark patches, trust me, this is the right soap. In here we have a lot of fruits powders that has antioxidants, natural nutrients, that will give your skin, good nutrients that will nourish your skin. As you can see, this is a wonderful super whitening soap. All right guys, after this I'm gonna let this simmer down. Okay, then we'll be adding whitening powders, super whitening, natural whitening powders. Okay guys, you see this is all the whitening powders. This is a super whitening soap. Some are already dissolved. These ones are gonna dissolve by itself naturally in the soap, but there are some that I need to dissolve, with some solvent so that it can be fully dissolved.